Today we're going to be making yarnings, and our yarning of the day, or yarn earrings of the day, is this piece right here. We will be needing yarn, it's purple in color, a skewer. I know you're wondering why skewers. We're not about to eat meat, but this is gonna come in handy because the other thing we're gonna be using is a keychain holder, that right there. So I loop this into the skewer. I loop it in like that, and once I loop it in, this is to hold it firm, and this is gonna be super helpful, especially when we work with this piece. After we do that, we are going to eyeball. I would probably estimate this to be like 15 inches if I'm not wrong, or so, depending how long you want your pieces to be. But I just eyeballed this, and I have 10 of these. Let me just confirm. The first assignment is to cut this in half. It's not gonna go in all at once, so we're gonna fold it. Just make sure they're all centered like this. Then we're gonna cut across. For me, my style is super organic. I don't want it to look very overproduced, so that's how I like to do things. And the first one, we're gonna go in to this piece like that. Sorry, make sure it goes in. So we're gonna loop it in like this. Excuse the noise. Just loop it in, make sure it's suspended like that, and then we're going to tie once and then tie twice to secure. I'm gonna do this for all of them. Some of them are uneven, so don't worry about that, but it all depends. Sometimes I love to have that disparity in length. So I think they're identical, so I'll stop here and see how it goes. I'm kind of happy with it as is, like this. Maybe I'll just fill up this one too with the remaining, just to make sure that it's full. Hope you can see, those are the hooks. And I can now unhook it from the skewer, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna hook it over, and it comes out to the other end, and I'm just gonna secure that with the pliers. I'm just gonna make it snap back. You can still accessorize your fall looks with amazing accessories like this. So let's try it out, and there you have it. They look like cute little spiders. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know how you do your yarn pieces, or have you tried it, or is this going to be your first experience, and how it comes out. This is your girl Flo. I will see you on the next DIY or tutorial.